Good evening, everybody. Thank you very much for coming to this kickoff meeting. And I am Siv Kumar, and I'm your project manager for the project Qualman Application System version 6.0 validation. And so let's see what the agenda is. So the first topic in this agenda is project overview. Then we go on to project objectives, project scope, project teams, roles and responsibilities, major deliverables, milestone schedule, estimated effort, assumptions, risks, and project acceptance. And when it comes to project OU, let's see what this project is all about. So Qualman Application System is a new system that's being implemented and validated in our company. So Qualman Application System is a software that can be linked to any safety systems uh, and it can be used to integrate a lot of systems like AEMS, that is Adverse Event Management System, and Customer Feedback System, so that the quality issues can be interrelated and better quality products can be produced. And quality management system has been embraced, and the word Qualman application system has been coined. So Qualman system is basically used by the QA departments to handle complaints from the customers pertaining to the quality of the products. So basically, the main thing about this system is that it deals with improving the efficiency and the quality of the products. And then let's go to the project objectives. The project objectives of this project is to implement and validate the latest version of quality management system available in the market. That's version 6.0. And and to see that this system is in accordance with the 21 CFR Part 11 regulations that have been set by the FDA. And one more objective is that to integrate different systems such as uh, AEMS and customer feedback systems together so that high quality products can be delivered. And one more objective is that to perform the risk assessment, actually, risk management, so that we can identify all the potential risks in advance and to fix them before any kind of risk pops up later in the project. So, and one more objective is to increase the efficiency and quality of the products. Okay, then let's go to the scope of the project. So when it comes to inclusions, the implementation of the Qualman system is included, and the validation of the Qualman system version 6.0 is also included in the scope. And and we need to actually check if the Qualman system is in accordance with with the 21 CFR Part 11 regulations that have been set by the FDA. And then when it comes to exclusions, we need to keep this thing in mind that any other systems other than Qualman application system are completely out of scope in this project. So, I mean, systems such as AEMS and customer feedback systems that we are dealing with in this project are not in the scope, and they are like completely exclusive from the scope of this project. So let's move on to the next topic. That's project team roles and responsibilities. So Tim Cooper is the project sponsor, and he's the oversight of the complete project. And Alex Green is the business owner, and she's responsible for the delegation of the tasks. And Sivakumar Velaga, and that's me, and I'm the project manager, and I'll be responsible for the completion of the project. And Matthew Perry is the end customer. He's the QA manager who will be deciding the success of this project based on the criteria if we have met or not. Okay, then the same slide is being continued. And here Joseph Pribiani is a change management manager, and he will be the one who will make sure that all the necessary changes that have been introduced in the system are not. And Rachel Green will be the configuration lead, and she will make sure that if the config is done properly, and excuse me, and then Ross Geller is the validation lead, and he will be responsible for the validation of this Qualman application system version 6.0. And Monica Bing is the business test lead, and she will draw the outline for this validation of the system, and she will define uh, all the deliverables that will be produced later in this project. So, and what are the major deliverables in this project? So, user requirements document, then comes the functional requirements document, and the design requirements document, and the security requirements document, and the compliance plan document, and the compliance summary document. So these are the major deliverables that we can expect from this project. And when it comes to the milestone schedule, today is the kickoff meeting, that is 8/11, and the URS document will be ready by October 28, 2015, and the FRS document will be ready by October 27, 2015, and the live date for this project is on August 10, 2016. So, and then the system will be tested from December 2015 to the mid of March 2016, so that everything is well and fine with the system, and during that time the validation will be also carried out, and then the go live date is on August 10th, 2016 for this system. And let's move on to the next stage, that's estimated effort. The entire project has been divided into two phases, that's implementation phase and closeout phase. In the implementation phase, everything comes in, most of the project comes under this, such as like all the deliverables that we have discussed earlier come under this phase. And the closeout phase, in this closeout phase, the lessons that we have learned while doing this project, and we'll some couple of resources, I mean, like some of the resources might be late because it will be like pretty much inactive period at the time, and the project will be reviewed and the data from this project will be archived. And the estimated budget for the implementation phase is $1 million, and the estimated budget for the closeout phase is $100,000. And the next slide is assumptions. Qualman application system version 6.0 has been customized optimally so that it works in compliance with the other systems such as AEMS and customer feedback system. And let's assume that there will be no major changes in the business requirements over the period of time, and critical functionality of the Qualman application system will be validated during this project. So, and when it comes to the risk assessment, so we'll be conducting risk assessment so that no potential risks will harm this project later. And for this, we'll be drafting a FMEA document in which we will identify the potential risks, and we will try to mitigate the risks. I mean, so that the project can go live successfully. And we need to make sure this is a very sensitive project, because we need to make sure that every this system is in compliance with the regulations set by the FDA, and is also in compliance with the GXP regulations. So, and the last but not the least is the project acceptance criteria. So the implementation, the validation of the Qualman system can only be considered as successful only if all the deliverables mentioned in the project have been completed and approved, and within the specified date and within the specified budget, and only the project can only go live only if all the test cases, all the test defects have been fixed and closed before the release of the system. The defects that have not been resolved, the unresolved defects should be documented in the compliance summary report, so that there could be a justification regarding the open defects. So please let me know if there are any other questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions. And if not, let's wrap this meeting up. So thank you. Thank you very much for your patience and time. Thanks.